Plant varieties are vital for the survival and sustenance of life. They serve as producers of food, fiber, fodder, and raw materials for industries. Farming and plant breeding are a vibrant and unstoppable drive for agriculturists and farmers. They look for new varieties of seeds, propagation, and cultivation, and there is an ongoing innovation in the research and development in the field to enhance agriculture productivity and to provide high-quality seeds and planting to farmers. New plant variety or plant breeding involves the discovery or creation of genetic variation in plant species. This requires plant breeders to come up with several permutations and combinations that would result in the desired variation and that can be further produced. Much technology and R&D goes into creating such variation and selecting from among the variation. Also, substantial investment goes into plant breeding in terms of skill, labor, time, material, and cost. Developing some plant varieties may also take years of research and innovation, but once released in the market, it could be easily reproduced by others, and it deprives breeders of the benefit of the investments made. This would be quite discouraging, isn't it? Sustained plant breeding is possible only if there is a reward on the investment. This also calls for coexistence of plant breeders' right and traditional farm-based sustenance of farmers, and this is the justification for establishing a system of providing IP protection to new plant varieties. Plant variety protection was given an international focus under TRIPS. It provides that members must protect plant varieties either by patents or by an effective sui generis system or a combination thereof. The United States protects new plant varieties under three forms of IP: plant patents, utility patents, and plant variety protection. In India, the methods of agriculture and horticulture are not patentable, so we have a sui generis intellectual property system to protect new plant varieties. It is called the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Act 2001 or PPVFR Act. The Act provides for protection of plant varieties and the rights of farmers and plant breeders. It encourages development of new plant varieties of economic importance, and there's also the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Authority PPVFRA to regulate these activities. In this module, we shall explore more about the plant breeder's right, what can be protected under such IP criteria for protection registration process, and acts that cause infringement of plant variety. The learning objectives of the course are to recognize the various plant varieties that are subject matter of IP protection, to examine the criteria for protection of new plant varieties, to analyze the process for registration of plant varieties, and to identify the circumstances that result in infringement of plant variety protection and the legal remedy for infringement.